In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add links to a GitHub repository README file. This is a great way to direct visitors to important resources, documentation, websites, or related projects directly from your repository. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your GitHub homepage. Look at the left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to add a link to the README file. Once you're inside the repository, locate the README file. It will usually be displayed on the repository's main page, but you can also find it in the file list. Click on the README file to open it. Then, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click the Edit this file button, which is represented by a pencil icon. This will open the README in the GitHub editor. Now, place your cursor where you want the link to appear and enter your link. You can simply paste the full URL, or you can use Markdown to create a cleaner clickable link. For example, you can use brackets around the link text followed by the URL in parentheses. Once you've added your link, scroll down and click Commit Changes. A confirmation window will appear. You can add a commit message if needed, then click Commit Changes again to save your update. Your README will now display the link, and visitors to your repository can click it to access the resource you've added. And that's it. You've successfully added a link to your GitHub repository README file, making it easier for visitors to access important resources directly from your project page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.